Hello, all my dear friends. I am Nisha Mandirata. Today, I will discuss the most important app which is essential for the teachers for the copy correction. In the last video, we have discussed how to make Google Forms and how can we take the online assessment through those forms by making them quizzes. Now we are moving towards the subjective type questions because it is not possible only to give the objective type question, as CBSE is going to ask subjective type questions also, as well as we cannot justify our student only with the tick mark or 1 mark question. We have to give subjective type questions. So how can we give the subjective type questions? We have discussed. Then we can share our screen on Zoom or MS Team, and student will write on their own paper. After making the paper, they will send us to a PDF, right? Students will send the PDF, then the work of teacher will start of correcting. So few teachers correct the question paper through the editing in the pics, but this is a very difficult task to check the copies in that way. So I am going to discuss a very simple way, a very simple app through which we can check our copies. Now we have to go on the Play Store. I will write Zudo, XUDO, Zudo, and there is a name of app, Zudo PDF reader and the editor. Sorry, I will download this app. I am installing. After downloading, I will open this and it will take minute. The first step, instructions are given. How can we make the copies check? We can move towards next. I have given the permission. They will ask for the access of photos, media device. I will allow. Then these type of PDF will open in this. So what PDF I want to get, I want to check, I will select that PDF. Suppose I want to check this, anyone I can check. So I have chosen the PDF by the name of journal. I will open this and look, first PDF I have checked. I am moving toward the third page. This page I want to check. So what I will choose? I will choose this option, this pen option. Then I will mark it correct. If I want to give the marks, I want to give 0 mark, 1 mark. So I can check. If something went wrong, then I can use the eraser. Right? So in this way I can get check. I will tick on the green mark on the left corner, left topmost corner. I will say yes. I can make a copy of this. After copy, I can save anywhere. Suppose I am saving in the private. I will select here. Now this is a PDF of copy correction. So very easy way, right? I can also do one thing. I can edit the pages. If I want to tell something to my student about any question, then I can add the question paper and I can write here anything that you have done this mistake, anything which I want to. Anyone I can give marks over there, that you get 50 marks out of 60 and I can get sign, then write. After doing this, I can also do one thing more, that is save a copy. In save a copy, I have many options: identical copy, flattened copy, reduce file, permanent copy और password protected. If I don't want to show anybody this, मुझे डर है कि कोई और देख लेगा, so I can use password protected copy and I can put the password. For example, this sheet is related to Suhani, so I can write the password Suhani 123. Okay, and I can select the location over there कि कहाँ मुझे सेव करना है. I am going to save in I am going to save in my favorites. Then in favorites there is no folder, so I have to check the local folder, select, and now my copy will be saved here. and we can see this copy in the recent file in 0x, this one, and we can send to our student, share, and we can share through WhatsApp or through the any way through which I want to share. And the student can open. If I send this to my group, then I will send by the protective password, right? So it's a very simple way to check our copies in this way. Hope this will be very beneficial for you. Thank you so much.